A frequency polygon is a graphical representation of a frequency distribution. It uses straight lines to connect points plotted at the midpoints of class intervals, with each point representing the frequency of that class. Let's begin with a frequency distribution table with class interval widths of size 10. If we already have a histogram, we can simply mark the midpoint at the top of each bar. Then we add one extra point on the horizontal axis before the first class and another after the last class, both with a frequency of 0. By connecting all these points with straight lines, we form a frequency polygon. Now let's construct the polygon from scratch, assuming we don't have a histogram. We can start by adding one extra class before the first class and one after the last class, each with the same class width as others and a frequency of 0. We then calculate the midpoints using the formula lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. For the starting interval 0 to under 10, the midpoint is 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which gives 5. We can repeat this for each class or simply add the width 10 to get successive midpoints. Now on the graph, we place the class midpoints on the horizontal axis and frequencies on the vertical axis. We plot the frequencies against the class midpoints, then connect all points in order using straight lines. And that's the frequency polygon. We can also overlay the frequency polygon of another distribution on the same graph, as long as it shares the same class intervals. This is one of the key advantages of frequency polygons over histograms. They make it easier to compare multiple distributions since the lines don't overlap like the bars in histograms do. We can easily see that the initial polygon is negatively skewed, while the second one is positively skewed. And that's how you construct and use a frequency polygon. Thanks for watching.